Namaste children. Are you eager to know what I am going to teach today? Children, what is it? It is a clock. Usually in a clock, we have seen that numbers will be written inside the clock. But here, there are some symbols have been written. Can you guess what is it? They are Roman numerals. Roman numerals are numeral system that originated in ancient Rome. The Roman numeral system is a positional numbering system. Since it is a numbering system, the counting for Roman numerals starts from 1 and there is no symbol to represent 0. In this table, the symbols are called Roman numerals and the numbers are called Hindu-Arabic numerals. Let us see the Roman numerals for these numbers. I stands for 1, V stands for 5, X stands for 10, L stands for 50, C stands for 100, D stands for 500, M stands for 1000. So these are the 7 basic symbols we used to write in Roman system. Let us see some more Roman numerals. For 1, you have to write I. 2, you have to write double I. For 3, you have to write triple I, that is 3I. For 4, you have to write IV. 5, you have to write V. And for 6, VI. 7, VII. 8, VIII. 9, IX. And for 10, you have to write X. Then continued by 20, you have to write double X. For 30, triple X. For 40, XL. 50, L. 60, LX. 70, LXX. 80, LXXX. 90, XC. And for 100, it is C. And for 500, it is D. And 1000, it is M. Now let us see the rules for writing Roman numerals. Children, we know that repetition means addition. In Roman numeral, a symbol can be repeated 3 times. Let us see an example. Here, I is written 3 times. I represents number 1. So 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 3. Next, 3x is written, that is triple x. What is the value of x? 10. So 10 plus 10 plus 10 is equal to 30. So from this, we should know that a Roman numeral can be repeated 3 times. Rule 2. If the larger value is written first, followed by the smaller value, then add the values. Now let us see a small video related to this rule. Now let us apply rule 1. V stands for 5, I stands for 1. So V here is the larger number, that is 5 is larger. So whenever larger number is written first, you have to add these 2 values. So 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. So VI is the Roman numeral for 6. Next, 10 and I, that is X and I. The value of X is 10 and the value of I is 1. So here also the larger number is written first. So you have to add the values. 10 plus 1 is equal to 11. So Xi is the value of 11. Next, LX. The value of L is 50 and the value of X is 10. Here also the large number is written first. So you have to add the values. 50 plus 10 is equal to 60. Rule 3. If the smaller value is written first, followed by the larger value, then subtract the values. Now let us see another video related to this rule. Rule 2. What is rule 2? When a smaller value is written first, followed by the larger value, we have to subtract the values. I stands for 1 and V stands for 5. Since 1 is smaller, we are subtracting. That is 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. So what is the Roman numeral for 4? IV. Next, XL. The value of X is 10 and the value of L is 50. Since 10 is lesser than 50, here also we are subtracting. So 50 minus 10 is equal to 40. So what is the Roman numeral for 40? XL. Next, XC. The value of X is 10 and the value of C is 100. Here also 10 is smaller value. So we are subtracting from 100. So 100 minus 10 is equal to 90. Now what is the Roman numeral for 90? XC. Points to remember while writing Roman numerals. First one, V, L and D can never be repeated. Second, only I, X, C, M can be repeated, but these Roman numerals can be repeated 3 times. Here we are going to write Hindu-Arabic numerals to Roman numerals. Let us see one by one. The first number is 42. So 42, you can split it as 40 plus 2. We know that the Roman numeral for 40 is XL and for 2 is II. So XL II is the Roman numeral for 42. Next, 63. 63 can be written as 60 plus 3. The value for 60, that is the Roman numeral for 60 is LX, and for 3 you have to put 3I. So this is the Roman numeral for 63. Next, 85. 85, how you can split? 80 plus 5. So 80. What is the Roman numeral for 80? It is L triple X, as we have seen already, and the value for 5 is V. So this is the Roman numeral for 85. The last one is 99. 99 can be written as 90 plus 9. The Roman numeral for 90 is X, C, and for 9 it is I, X. So this is the Roman numeral for 99. Here we are going to see how to write Roman numerals to Hindu-Arabic numerals. First, what we have to do is, here XL is given and here it is V. We know that XL is 40. So write 40. And what is V? It is 5. So 40 plus 5, it is 45. Next, L, V and II. We know that the value of L is 50. So write 50. And what is this? This is the value for 7. So 50 plus 7, you will be writing 57. Got it, children? Third one, XC, and this is the value for 8. And what is the value for XC? It is 90. So 90 plus, you have to add this 8. 90 plus 8 is equal to 98. Now next one, L triple X and VI. We know that the value for L triple X is 80. So write 80 plus, and what is the value for VI? It is 6. So 80 plus 6, it is 86. Children, in this video, you learnt the beauty of Roman numbers. From this, we come to know that wherever there is number, there is beauty. Likewise, Give every day the chance to become the most beautiful day of the year by adding your good qualities. Hope you have enjoyed this video. Thank you, children.